Hey guys, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA, and in this video we are going to do a little ride along with the Pegasus Plus HD, and I want to test it on different types of terrain. So we'll show you at first. I'm going to test it on this little hill right here, test it in this grass as well, and just show you what it's capable of, because I believe that this chair is one of the best folding electric wheelchairs that can handle different types of terrain. So let's try this out. So you probably can't really tell too much about that hill, but you can see that I can drive through the grass just fine. Let's try to go up this hill. Now, when you go up a hill with this chair or any folding electric wheelchair, you kind of want to lean back a little bit. I'm sorry, lean forward a little bit, I should say. So first test, no problem. And again, that's like a little hill. Now I'll also just show you like dismounting from the sidewalk into the grass. There's a little bit of a bump here. And again, it's not a problem. All right, so the next test we're going to do is right here. And you can see this is actually a little disc golf course. It's a disc golf basket. This hill is going to be steeper. I'm going to bring the camera down pretty low so you can kind of gauge how steep it is. I think this one's going to be a challenge for the chair. Here's a sidewalk right here. So I'll try that sidewalk first, and then we'll try the grass, and we'll just come up through here and see. Let's see how the Pegasus Plus HD performs. And before I get into that, I wanted to let you know that we are giving away a free mobility scooter. And we do this monthly. All you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and then comment on any video. So it can be this video or any video that we publish. And once you do that, you'll be eligible for the next drawing of our mobility scooter giveaway. Also, one other thing you need to do is just email us at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com and then put your YouTube username in there. And then we can verify that you have commented and you subscribed. We've had some issues with contacting our winners, and we want to give back to our community. So this is something that we do as a goodwill gesture. We're really not gaining anything from this, but it's something that we do to help people, and we have definitely impacted lives, and it's very fulfilling, and that's why we do this. So I just wanted to share that with you, but let's do this little test. Now, a couple other things I wanted to mention too about the chair before I show any more. If you're not familiar with this chair, it's one of the few heavy-duty folding electric wheelchairs in the market. This chair can support 440 pounds of weight. It comes with 2 batteries that are located in the frame, which is pretty unique. They're easy to access. Between both of these batteries, you get a 22-mile range. And you can see you press a button on the side, and I can take one out. So even with one of them out, you can still operate the chair, so you don't need both of them. But 22-mile range is pretty incredible. It's airline approved as well. And it's a solid chair. It's pretty rugged, and for a folding electric wheelchair that can handle different types of terrain, it's pretty impressive. So I'm going to do a little test here, like I mentioned. Now I want to clarify that going up, you can see like the speed, it's still maintaining that top speed of 4.5 miles an hour. When I let off the throttle, it doesn't drift backwards because the electromagnetic brakes. But I want to point out that I'm testing this to show what it's capable of. Now, going off of this on these different types of like terrains and stuff, like now I can handle grass and gravel, but if it's hilly, it's not going to perform as well. And I think it's important that you know that I'm just showing you what it's capable of. Now I want to try it on this hill, but I'm going to put the camera kind of low so you can see the incline a little better. And right now I'm in Florida. It's hard to find a lot of steep hills because Florida is mostly flat. But there are some here and there. So you can see it's no issue. Again, really easy. I'm going to stop. It's not going to drift. When you're going up steep inclines or declines, you have to make sure you position your body. Whether, like, if I'm going down a hill, like right now, you want to go slow. So I'm actually going to put the speed setting down to the 1 setting. And I'm going to go real slow. And I'm going to lean back. Show you a couple features about the chair real quick. Now, we have other videos that kind of go over different things about the chair, but just show you some basic ones. So the seat width of this is 19 inches. It's got a 3-inch thick memory foam cushion. The armrest also, you pull up this little tab on the side, and these armrests flip up on both sides, which allows for transfers in and out of the seat easily. So you can put all your weight on this. So this thing supports 440, So this thing supports 440 pounds, but I weigh 235. But I can put all my weight on these armrests. It's a pretty durable chair. Very well made. I can plop down really hard on it. It doesn't phase it. This chair is made really well. As far as charging it, now, it's a charging port right on the joystick right here. Just pull this off and it'll charge both of the batteries at the same time. Now, if I remove this one, you'll see that there is a charging port here, but I just found out that this does not work currently. This is being resolved. So as of right now, if you buy one of these right now, you cannot charge the batteries off the unit. Now, you can remove them for airline travel, which is what you would have to do anyway, but they're easy to do. You just press this button and it allows you to remove the battery. So charging it, you have to do it directly on the joystick. You also have a USB charging port right here. Charge your cell phone in there. Very nice joystick. You got your speed and kilometers per hour. Gear 5 is your top speed and speed setting. Use the plus and minus signs to adjust that. Got a horn. Joystick is real intuitive. And tires, this is what allows it to kind of get on these different types of terrains. It's because of these like knobby tires. They're really beefy. They're flat free. Front tires are also flat free. Folding it's real easy. I'll show you how to fold, then I'm going to continue on to our next little terrain test. So you'll notice in the back there's a little red lever here. I'm going to flip up this foot plate. Use this red lever. Then I can fold it up. You can store it upright just like that. Then as far as unfolding it, really easy. Just grab the back. There's a little like, almost like a handle here on the back. I can just grab it. Just unfold it like that. So really easy to unfold. Put the foot plate down. But yeah, a couple little features. If you want to see things a little more in depth, go We have another video that shows more of the features, but this video I just want to show like what the chair is capable of again. So I see another little hill over here I want to test, and I'm going to try to find some gravel to get onto just to show you can do that, because we get that question a lot. Steep little climb here. Oh, made it. Now here's a good little test. I don't know if it'll make it up this. Let's try it on this little incline. I don't think it's going to make it up. It might be too steep. This is probably 30 degrees. But when I go up an incline, I'm going to just lean forward to balance my weight. So let's try it. Oh, it made it. Wow. Okay. This chair's pretty awesome. See, going down 25, 30 degree incline, I'm going to lean back. And again, the electromagnetic brakes will prevent you from just going freewheel down the hill. So you have that safety in mind. Here's another good test. This is some high grass right here. It's not real high grass. Actually, it's higher over here. So let's go over here, show you this grass. Now, to be the most effective going in like high grass like this, I'm going to put the speed down to the lowest setting. Actually, I could increase it. Let's increase it. I want to put it at the top speed. Yeah, it doesn't matter. We can still go up through this. Here's another steep incline here, but this is going to be concrete. I think this chair is rated, I'm actually not sure what the incline rating is, but it definitely can climb. I'm sure it climbs more than what it's saying it can. And I'm going down slow on this incline and leaning back. So let's try to go up now. I'm going to lean forward when I go up this incline. No problem. It's probably like listed as like 10 or 12 degrees, but I can tell you it definitely does more than that. I'm looking for a good gravel alleyway.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. We can also click on free catalog at the top of our website and just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
All right, so I found some gravel. I'm going to try it in this. It's kind of smaller, loose gravel. But let's see how it does. This will be a good test, actually. So I'm just going to come through here and then just kind of circle around. It's not a lot of gravel, but let's see what happens. Got quite a little drop off here. I'm going to take it slow. So gravel like this is definitely not going to work well. This is a little too loose probably. So gravel is a no-go. At least loose gravel like this, I would not try it on this. It's capable, but it just doesn't have enough traction. So again, like, you know, this is really loose. I mean, you're not gonna ride a wheelchair in this. I definitely would not. Anyway, even if you're just likely not gonna. Now, if it's like gravel that's packed, like in an alleyway, I think it would do better, but this is pretty loose. So that about does it. This is the Pegasus Plus HD. Call us if you have any questions about it. Pretty solid folding electric wheelchair. Now, again, I am under the weight capacity, but You don't have to be maxing out the weight capacity, but it's 500 watts of power between the two motors. So it's a powerful folding electric wheelchair. But give us a call if you want to learn more about it. We also have other videos. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444. Or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching, and hope this video was helpful so you can learn more about the Pegasus Plus HD.